Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you will be learning about how to connect the Figma with the Claude and how to use it. So all you have to do is to log in with your official account on the Claude.ai. The link is in the description as well. All you have to do is to go to the plus icon, go to the connectors, and go to the add connectors option. Here you will see that there is a browse connectors option. Just click on it. Now it will open up over here. So the Figma is still the top 5 popular, the most popular connector available on the cloud. Just go ahead and click on connect, and then there will be a connect option. Just click on connect. Now you will be redirected to a new page. Over here you just have to go ahead and authenticate your Figma account with the Claude account, and thus you will be able to establish a connection between Figma and the Claude. So if you don't have a Figma account, just go ahead and create one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in with one. Over here, you just have to log in with your Figma account. Once you have logged in with that, you just need to go back to the Claude and use it by simply asking the Claude to perform a specific action on the Figma. So that's pretty much it for the video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.